Alright everybody, welcome back to the channel. Flying Ride here. We got the crew, we're down the shore, and we're gonna go check out a bike show. John is gonna put his bike in the show, and we're gonna check out Onyx Cycles, and we're taking you with us. About 20 miles from here. We're gonna go local. So yeah, he's having a bike show, I think 3 different categories, and we've got most of the crew here. Not everybody's here, but we got a good showing today. So we're just gonna go enjoy a nice chill ride here in the Jersey Shore while the weather is still awesome. How cool this is. I got my Indy Ridge boots. Best boots in the business. Make sure you go check them out. IndyRidge.com. Ocean's right over there. You probably can't see it. Well, there you go. We're in Deal, New Jersey. I believe it's one of the most expensive zip codes in the US. Leave it down in the comments below if you agree, or fact check my stats. Man, these houses are something else. Look at that, how beautiful. is absolutely beautiful. Man, it just feels great to come out here with the boys. It's been a minute. I hope you guys had a great summer. We're getting ready for my favorite time of the year, which is the fall season here in the Northeast. So this is Asbury Park area. And we're making our way down to Brick, New Jersey, which is where Onyx Cycles is. We could have taken the highway, but we opted to go local. Of course, this sucks. Alright, I'll catch you as soon as we get to Onyx Cycles, and then I'm going to show you around all the bikes. Should be a big turnout. So stick with me here. Alright, we took a little pit stop here. Onyx Cycles is just up the block from here. They got really freaking hot out. Should be coming up right here. Yep, right up there. We are here. Right here? All right. Oh, I got you. All right, yep. All right, we are here. Ooh, that smells good. I smell me some pork. Man, check out those bikes there. All right, we're gonna get set up here, and then we're gonna video everything, show you everything, so stick around with us. all the bikes. I think everybody's here. They're about to start judging here in a minute.